Good morning, guys. Another day, another vlog. I just woke up. It's already 9:30 a.m. or 9, almost 9:40, and now I'm going to make breakfast. Breakfast burrito. So I'm gonna make 2 burritos for my husband and I. Ayan. Let's make some burrito. So this is what we need. We need flour tortilla. Ayan. Flour tortilla. And then we need breakfast sausage. And then, so I just only want to use half. And then we need egg. Here's the egg. Let's do that. Chef style. Ooh. One hand. So we got 2. We get 3. In our egg, we're going to put black pepper without salt. You don't have to put salt because the sausage is already salted. So this would be our brunch. Our egg is done, so we're going to make our sandwich. So I'm going to build our sandwich. We need 1 flour tortilla, shredded cheese right here, an egg. Going to put our egg here, and then hot sauce. Yeah. And then roll it. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. No, it's too much. Here you go, guys. Our breakfast burrito. I'm going to make my burrito and then eat. Then I'll see you later. Hi guys. This morning we did go to Home Depot because we did buy this nuts and sleeves inserts because our fridge has leak. In our back of our fridge we have hose so we can access to the water, and it's leaking. So 2 days ago I heard dripping, and then I heard it drip like slowly, like, am I crazy? So 2 days ago, am I crazy? I heard something. And then my husband wasn't home, and when he came home from work I told him, and then we pulled the fridge, and yeah, we confirmed that it was leaking. Good thing about the plumber that we hired before, he connect the hose to the water so it will connect, and then he put a bulb, is it bulb, whatever, so you can turn it off. So when we confirm that there's a leak, we turn off that bulb. So it's 2 days we don't have water in our fridge. But what's happened? It has a hole.
This sprung a leak. Cut the hose, put on a new compression fitting, tightened it down, fixed. Easy job.
There's no more leak. So that's why we go to Home Depot to get those small little stuff right there.
$2 compression fitting.
Uh-huh. Woo! So my husband is plumber.
No, far from. This is about as difficult a plumbing as I do.
Okay, let's do it. Going to put the fridge back. We already put the fridge back in its place. But I need to clean it because there's a lot of fingerprints. And then guys, our filter in our fridge, this one, need to be replaced because it's blinking red right here. So it means need to be replaced. And we look up at the Home Depot. It's cost 50 bucks each. And if you order it online, it's 30 plus each. Samsung brand. And then you can also buy another brand that it's not Samsung, but you can still use it with the Samsung fridge. So a 3-pack for $30. So my husband will gonna order that 3-pack for $30, and then yeah. So this filter, we've been using like less than a year. So for us, it's only 10 months, and then we need to replace the water filter. But it depends. If you guys have water softener, I think the water filter will, stay longer, like maybe more than a year. But us, we don't have water softener, so that's why less than a year. And yeah, so we're going to order the water filter and we're going to replace it. So later I'm gonna go harvest my string beans and cucumbers. So see you later. Just up from a nap. So it's already 6 p.m. Now I'm going to our garden to harvest the string beans and the cucumber. Oh, it's raining. Oh no, it's raining. Oh, they have birthday party. So guys, this is what I'm going to harvest. The string beans, as you can see. String beans. And I have eggplant as well. Just see eggplant right here. Look at that. Holy moly. There's more in the other side too. Look at that. And we have already tomato. And this is the string beans. And this is the cucumber. See, it's already big. Going to harvest that one. And there's more right here. Oops. And we already have green beans, as you can see. See? Our first green beans. It's hanging. Let's harvest the cucumber and string beans. I'm going to remove that one and put it right there as well. So let's get started. our harvest for today. This is the moringa. Getting bigger. It's all moringa. And this is papaya. Getting bigger. And this is pomegranate. This is lemon. Seedling. And this one is bell pepper. And of course our strawberry. Look at that. And look at that. You see that rainbow? The rainbow is there. See, the weather is not quite good. Looks like we're gonna rain this evening. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. We have delivery arrived today, so we're going to open it. So you guys stay there and yeah, this is the curtain rods. Yep. This is this one, the other one. So cool. I can install the curtain right there. This curtain rod is for these two windows. This one and 2. And the big window I already installed it. So this is the one it looks like. So that's our quick unboxing. And I'm going to edit my video. So see you later or see you tomorrow. Bye bye.